Chosen one, listen closely. The last 90 days of your life have felt like an invisible battlefield. You have been exhausted, stretched to your absolute limits, dealing with people acting out of character and delays that made absolutely no logical sense. You are here right now because a higher intelligence has guided you to this exact moment to stop you from blaming yourself. Nothing went wrong. God tested you in disguise. Over the last 3 months, Heaven placed highly specific scenarios in your path, wearing the masks of daily frustrations. You were given opportunities to react, to lower your frequency, and to fight back against people who misunderstood you. But Heaven was watching, and I have been sent to deliver the message that will finally let you exhale. You passed. You passed every single disguise test perfectly. You chose silence over argument. You chose grace over retaliation. You proved that your character can hold the weight of the blessing that is coming. Stay with me until the very end, because I am going to reveal exactly what those 3 hidden tests were, the specific tool to navigate what happens next, and the profound elevation that is entering your reality today. But before I show you the tests, we need to look at what exactly your body has been absorbing. Imagine waking up at 3 in the morning. You are staring at the ceiling in the dark. The house is completely quiet, but inside your mind it feels like a crowded room. You feel an unexplainable exhaustion that sleep just does not fix. You can sleep for 10 hours and still wake up feeling like you ran a marathon in your dreams. Notice how your chest has felt tighter than it should lately. Notice how your mind has been overwhelmingly loud, racing with thoughts and scenarios and past conversations, yet your mouth does not want to speak. You have absolutely no desire to explain yourself to anyone anymore. Notice how you feel completely drained of energy, even when you are sitting perfectly still, completely alone in an empty room. This is the physical weight of what you have been carrying. It is not just mental fatigue. It is spiritual heavy lifting. This profound spiritual transition has manifested in very specific ways in your daily life. The first shift you might have noticed is a completely changed tolerance. Suddenly you cannot stomach drama anymore. In the past you might have entertained certain people or engaged in small talk just to be polite. But lately, conversations that lack depth, the petty complaints of people around you, the endless cycles of negativity, they do not just annoy you now. It has become physically painful to sit through them. Your body literally rejects low vibration environments. You find yourself pulling away, choosing silence, preferring to be totally alone rather than sitting in a room full of people who misunderstand your heart. The second shift is the emotional waves. You have been experiencing moments where tears fall for absolutely no logical reason. You are washing the dishes or driving your car, and suddenly a wave of grief hits you. 1 minute you feel a surge of intense frustration, feeling like you are entirely alone in this journey, and the very next minute, a strange, settling peace washes over your entire body. It feels like you are grieving something you cannot even name. You are shedding layers of your old self. If your spirit recognizes this right now, if you have felt that exact heavy exhaustion settling deep into your bones, I want you to type 777 inches the comments right now. Do this to acknowledge what your physical body is processing. Acknowledge that you are not crazy, you are just shifting. And then there is the third indicator, the bizarre timing coincidences. Have you noticed how right at the exact moment you felt the most tired, the most emotionally depleted, someone perfectly placed would step into your path just to test your patience? A frustrating email from a coworker, a delayed response that threw off your entire schedule, a family member demanding your energy when you had absolutely nothing left to give. It felt like the universe was intentionally pushing you to your breaking point when you were already running on empty. I need you to hear this clearly and let it settle into your spirit. This was not a breakdown. You are not falling apart. This was a frequency recalibration. Your system was being upgraded to hold the voltage of what is coming next. If you felt even 2 of those signs, you are exactly where you need to be. But the signs are just the symptom. The real mechanism is what heaven was actually doing behind the scenes. I am naming this early because I do not want to build mystery just to sell you something at the end of this message. Let me be direct and honest about a tool that exists for exactly what you are feeling right now. This deep exhaustion you have been carrying actually creates static. It scrambles your spiritual radar, making it incredibly difficult to recognize what is a divine test and what is just noise. But there is a way to clear that static. A neuroscientist named Dr. Robert Lake discovered a precise method to restore this spiritual radar. It is called the Genius Song. It uses specialized brain entrainment audio to reactivate your gamma brain waves, physically shifting your nervous system out of survival mode and into a state of absolute clear spiritual perception in just 7 minutes. I am telling you this now, so you know it is there. If your intuition already tells you this is the tool you need for this new season, you will find the link in the description and the pinned comment. But please do not rush. I want you to stay for the full message to understand exactly what you just went through. For those staying with me, let us uncover exactly what those 3 disguise tests were. To truly understand what you just survived, we have to look at an ancient concept. In the original Hebrew language, there is a word used for times of intense pressure. That word is saraf. When most people hear about being tested or broken down, they think of destruction. But in the original language, saraf does not mean to destroy. It means to refine metal through fire. Fire does not destroy gold. It burns away the impurities. It melts away everything that is not pure. God was not punishing you. He was sarafing you. What felt like an attack was actually an assessment. What felt like rejection was actually redirection. What felt like a breaking point was actually a building phase. The first disguised exam you faced was the provocation test. Someone intentionally tried to push your buttons. They poked at your insecurities, they crossed a boundary, or they falsely accused you of something you did not do. The test was not about whether you were right and they were wrong. It was about whether you would lower your frequency to prove it. Heaven was watching to see if you would defend your ego or protect your peace, and you chose silence instead of trying to convince them. Think about the wisdom figure David. He was hiding in a dark cave, and the man trying to destroy him walked right in completely vulnerable. David had the perfect opportunity to strike back and take control. That was the ultimate provocation, but he chose not to. He refused to compromise his character for a temporary victory. He passed the disguise test, and by holding your peace recently, so did you. The second hidden exam was the delay test. Everything should have been finished. The pieces were perfectly in place, you did the work, but then an unexplainable pause hit your life. You completely lost control of the timeline. This was heaven testing your surrender. The universe wanted to see if you would try to force a door open out of panic, or if you would stand still and trust the unseen timing. If you recognize these tests in your own life over the last 3 months, type "I see it" in the comments right now. Let your physical action acknowledge the spiritual pattern you just uncovered. Then came the third exam, the betrayal or loss test. Someone you relied on walked away, or a situation you felt secure in suddenly shifted, revealing a truth you did not want to see. This was the test of forgiveness and releasing attachments. Heaven needed to know if you could let go of what was no longer meant for you without holding on to bitterness. Let me tell you about a chosen one who faced this exact scenario 9 months ago. His business partner betrayed him, leaving him with a collapsed career and a cancelled major contract. His human instinct was to fight back, to expose the partner, to scream from the rooftops and demand justice. Instead, he practiced strategic silence. He went into a period of deep frequency alignment. He passed the provocation test flawlessly. On day 38, a company he had never even contacted called him with a 6-figure contract, double what he had lost. He proved himself in silence before he was promoted in public. You passed these 3 tests, but passing them triggers a massive reaction in the spiritual realm that reorganizes your entire reality. Let me show you what is happening behind the scenes right now. This brings us to the exact reason you are here today. The reward phase. Because you passed, the universe is actively restructuring 3 specific areas of your life. First, your relationships. Those energy-draining connections have been permanently severed. Do not try to reach back and hold on to people who were divinely designed to leave. Second, your purpose. You are about to experience a sudden, undeniable clarity about your next step. The heavy confusion is lifting. Third, your provision. Resources are going to flow into your life, but they will not come through the old familiar channels. Heaven is bypassing the expected routes to bless you. Before this continues, gently press the like button. Not for me, but so this validation reaches another chosen one who is exhausted and needs to know that they passed their test too. Let this message find them. Now that you are entering this new phase of reorganization, you need a specific tool to navigate what comes next. I call this the discernment check. It is a mental protocol to recognize future tests before you fail them. You do not need to move. You do not need to change your posture. You can do this entirely within your own mind, right where you are sitting. The first step is the pause and detach. When friction hits, when someone provokes you, imagine a thick glass wall instantly dropping between you and the situation. Take one slow internal breath and mentally step back. Observe the chaos from behind the glass. The second step is the alignment question. Ask yourself internally, is this threatening my ego, or is this threatening my purpose? If it only threatens your pride, your image, or your need to be right, it is a test. Let it pass. The third step is the silent seal. Commit in your mind to give absolutely no reaction for 24 hours. Lock your response away in a mental vault. By the time 24 hours pass, the emotion will fade and the true nature of the test will reveal itself. Everything I just said sounds beautiful. The reorganization, the reward, the profound clarity. But there is a dark side to this promotion. An obstacle that stops 90% of chosen ones right at the finish line. You have passed the test. The door to your new season is swinging open, and suddenly you are terrified. You look at the blessing, you look at the promotion, and a voice whispers, "What if I am not enough? What if I mess this up?" This is success terror. This is the imposter syndrome, trying to pull you back into the wilderness. But I need you to hear this reframe clearly. That fear is not a sign of weakness. That fear is a sign of immense wisdom. Those who crash and burn have no fear, because they have no awareness of the heavy weight they are about to carry. Your healthy fear is the exact proof that you are ready to hold this blessing. I want you to do something with me right now. You do not need to move. Just in your mind, I want you to visualize the room where you took all those disguised tests over the last 3 months. See yourself walking out of that room. Now, in your mind, close that door firmly. You have graduated. There are no more exams for this level. Feel the heavy backpack of testing slide off your shoulders and hit the floor. Take a deep breath in and release. If you felt that weight drop, type "I release the fear" in the comments right now. Before I can show you the tool that anchors this new reality, because I will show you, there is one more thing I need to reveal about who you are becoming. And this one changes everything. Let me pause and put this in plain words, because I want you to walk away from this message with something solid. Here is what you now know. The exhaustion and friction of the last 3 months were not bad luck or spiritual attacks. They were calculated tests of your character, tests of provocation, delay, and loss, and you passed by choosing integrity over reaction. The discernment check gives you a 3-step protocol to pause and evaluate future friction so you never fail a hidden test again. The identity that connects all of this is that you are a refined vessel. You survived the fire not to be burned, but to be purified. Remember 30 minutes ago when I first mentioned the genius song? Now it is time to understand how it anchors your new season. Scientists at MIT and Princeton, along with Dr. Robert Lake, over his 34-year career, mapped exactly how our gamma brainwaves decline after age 7. But for a chosen one, this decline is devastating. You were born with naturally high gamma. It is the source of your deep intuition. When the modern world suppresses that frequency, you do not just feel tired. You feel a profound brain fog and spiritual exhaustion. Dr. Lake designed a system to reverse this. Let me tell you about a 47-year-old manager who used this tool. She listened for 34 days before she noticed the shift. The change did not come like a lightning bolt. It came as a quiet, unshakable clarity. Decisions she had put off for months were made in a single morning. She learned the patience required for this level of restoration. This is how Dr. Lake's broader research system works, laying foundations for cognitive longevity, like the youthful brain. But everything starts with gamma. Now, I would never disrespect your financial situation. I know that investing in yourself can feel heavy when you have been in a wilderness season, but consider the alternatives. A single therapy session costs upwards of $150. Monthly meditation apps drain your account without targeting gamma specifically. Dr. Lake intentionally bypassed the medical gatekeepers to make this accessible. The Genius Song is available to you for a one-time investment of $39, and it comes with 4 specific bonuses worth $80, including the Genius Child Track and a complete guided visualization. Even if you decide within 90 days that this is not for you, you receive a full refund and keep all $80 worth of bonuses. The only risk is the cost of waiting. Every single day your gamma remains dormant is a day you navigate this new season below your true potential. One thing I must tell you to protect your energy: do not search for this on Amazon or random audio apps. There are counterfeit versions that use standard music without the embedded brain entrainment technology. You can only access the true audio and the bonuses through the secure link I have provided. Take a slow breath right now. This decision is not about $39. It is about whether you believe you are ready to step into the frequency of your new identity. If your spirit confirms this is your next step, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. Only if you feel led. And that brings us to the final revelation of who you are becoming. You are not just a survivor of the wilderness. You are the spiritual warrior. You are the cycle breaker. Your family line shifts because you refuse to fail the test in the dark. Let us take a moment of settled gratitude. Look back at the last 90 days. You did not collapse. Now I want you to release the remaining residue of that wilderness. Let the bitterness go. Let the memory of the betrayal wash away. Your spirit is being prepared for the next phase of the journey, stepping fully into destiny's embrace. And I hear the Spirit saying, "Well done, my good and faithful chosen one. You did not break, you did not bow. The test is over, the gates are open. Step into your reward, it is sealed." If your spirit receives this, type "I am ready" with the force of a lion in the comments below. Let your like be your amen without words, gently pressing the button to anchor your agreement. For those who feel called to begin their gamma reactivation, the link to the Genius Song is in the description and pinned comment. Finally, if someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been unusually quiet, someone who looks completely fine on the outside, but you know they are exhausted from hidden battles, share this with them. This might be the exact confirmation they have been praying for. You are not leaving a message. You are leaving a season.